Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Eshu. I'm the head of school here at King School, and I'm really excited to see you soon at our open house.
I came to King in 5th grade.
I came to King as a sophomore and I found it was a very easy transition.
I've been at King since kindergarten and I've never once even considered going anywhere else.
All the teachers are so supportive. They're willing to help anytime.
You should come to King because not only are the teachers great and the students great, but you're able to participate in anything from music and theater to sports and any other activity you can think of.
My favorite thing about King is the leadership opportunities coupled with the rigorous academic program.
King is a really special place full of leaders that really want to make an impact on the world.
I love King because the King community pushes me to be the best me that I can be.
You really need to come to campus and feel what it feels like to be a member of this amazing community and the culture that we have created here.
I love King and you should come to the open house because you'll love it too.
You should come to the open house because this is the best school ever and you have to see it for yourself.
The reason why you should come and visit King during open house is to see the community, the teachers, and how much the students just love to be here.
My favorite thing about King is the teachers. I've never had such a strong relationship with my teachers before.
Come to open house and please keep a lookout for me. I can't wait to meet you all.
Don't miss me and the jazz combo performing I Wish by Stevie Wonder at the open house.
If you're seriously considering your education, you have to seriously consider King.
There's really no other choice.